Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 58 Balnagowan Drive in Glenrothes. This is an amazing 3-bedroom semi-detached property. See the garage to the side, off-street parking as well. Finished a really nice standard inside, ready to move in for someone. Let me take you on the tour. It has a living room, open plan to a dining room as well, easy access to all the main amenities, and I'll tell you towards the end of this. One of the things I love about this is it's spacious and the back garden. It's nice and enclosed, it's landscaped as well, and it is ready for someone to move in. Let's flip the camera around and take you on the tour. Okay, here we are to the front here. You can see the monoblock drive to the front, leading to the garage. And the great thing is you're in a CUL DE SAC as well, so you're only coming through here if you live here or if you're visiting someone here. You've got access to the side as well to get out to the back garden. But we'll go in the front door. So composite door to the front, you can see that straight away. Kind of tells you a bit about the standard it's going to be when you walk in the door. And as you see, you'll not be disappointed. There you go. And just zoom in, this could be your happy place, definitely. It certainly was theirs. Okay, let's go up and look at the 3 bedrooms first. And I think the great thing about the upstairs is it's got the bathroom up here as well, but it's 4-piece. So if you want a shower or a bath, this is definitely the one here. So here we go here, as you can see, bath, and then it's got the corner shower with the overhead rainfall shower, and your sink and your WC. Beautiful, isn't it? Love the tiles. Now, off to the rear is a double bedroom. You've got wardrobes for storage, and then good size. You could fit a double bed in there quite easily. It's used as a young person's room just now. Storage in the attic via metal ladder there. It's floored so you can get storage in there. It's got really good storage overall all the way throughout. Integrated wardrobes in the main bedroom. Looking out to the front. And then what they've got just now, this is a good sized single bedroom, but they've got as a playroom just now. And you could probably just keep it at that if you want, or you could have a home office, or you could easily reinstate a single bed in there quite comfortably. And storage behind the door, and here. So plenty of space. Okay, so let's pop down and have a look at the living room open plan to the dining room. I like this space. I like these properties for this reason, is because they're open plan and they go front to back in terms of the living room to the dining room. But good sized dining area and living room. As you'll see, you can even see a gamer station to the rear there. So if you're a gamer, you can fit that in as well. Probably one of the most important things, I suppose. And then the living room to the front there. As you'll see, lots of natural light coming in here. And then the kitchen. The kitchen's really nice. Nice gloss white, ebony worktops. So double oven, shaker style pull-out cabinet here for storage. You've got your induction hobby and extractor above, and as you come round, you've got your dishwasher just under the counter there. So real good sized kitchen. Possibly wee table and chairs there. If you've got younger family members, maybe want a wee breakfast area there, that would be perfect for them. And then you've got understairs storage under the stairs itself. We'll go off into the laundry, which is perfect to the side. You've got space for you can see there for your washing machine and your dryer. As you come in, there's a cupboard there. It has the condenser combi boiler in there. Plenty of worktop space, and you've got space for a freestanding fridge, freezer. Brilliant, isn't it? All double glazed all the way throughout, which is brilliant. And this beautiful landscape back garden. And gate to the side. So we've got pets, ideal garden for them, young family, ideal garden for them for playing, entertaining friends and family. Perfect sun trap area over to the back there. And this raised decking. If you know somebody looking for a property like this, tag them in this post now. Let me tell you, for anybody that doesn't know the area at all, Balnagowan Drive, it is close proximity, easy access, walking distance basically, to the swimming pool and sports complex. Easy access back into the town centre for the main shopping facilities. You've got Asda's, you've got Morrison's, you've got other places, Aldi's and Lidl's and all the rest of it, all the way throughout. And then, as well, you've got access to a train station in Markinch nearby. A92 is close for commuters, if you're commuting by car. So that's close for Edinburgh and back on to Dundee as well. And as I said, CUL DE SAC, perfect. Great walks about here, so if you're a dog walker, got good walks up the back there. So something for everyone in this house, but it could be the perfect starter home for you. It could be the perfect upgrade for you as well. There's more details on this post if you want to click on the photographs. For the photographs and descriptions, you can click on the link above or below. If you need to contact us, you can contact us on 01592 75 2000, or you can message us direct on this post. Until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.